Hello, greetings families. This is Abraham. We are here in Kumasi on this particular project. We are to put our signature to change the building with design. Yeah. So we just want to show you how the building is before. Then when we are done too, we'll show you the after work. Yeah. We are here. Just look at it very well. So we will be showing you after work, whatever we do to transform the building to, you'll see it. So this is in Kumasi. Let's see.
So that's Abraham for you, coming live from Kumasi with this project. So Abraham has been here for some time now. His work has been great when it comes to plastering, window designing, fence wall designing, anything that has to do with design, on your building. I think Abraham is the guy for you, right? So that is his number here on the screen. You can get in touch with him directly, right? So we'll be showing you the finishes of this, windows dressing.
So the chiseling work, always do the chisel work well. So you can see we've started with the back. Yeah, we started with the back, the window design. Yeah, the transformation has begun from the back. So as you can see. Then you can see. So, and everything is done. They'll say everything perfectly. Thank you. Hello, families. Yeah, so we are here to show you the definition of the project. When we started, we show you the before. So this is the ending. How we've transformed the building with the design. Yeah. So this is the finishing. So if you have your project and you want us to design it for you anywhere in Ghana, you can contact us via Gigo Production. We'll be there for you.
You can see the finishes for yourself, the beauty of his work, right? And you can come up with your own design. So if you go to my playlist, it's called the windows and door design. If you click on it, you see a lot of designs, a lot of projects that Abraham has worked on, all the way plastering. Like I said, when it comes to plastering, doors design, windows design, pillar design, right? If you want to decorate your columns and stuff, trust me, Abraham is your guy for you. So please get in touch with him if you have any questions also, right, regarding POP works, and also parapet, right, parapet also, and coping. Abraham will be the right person to talk to. He'll explain how those things work, which one is best for your structure, right? So get in touch with Abraham and you deal with him directly, right? So these are guys that I trust, right? That's why I put their numbers out here. I've been working with them for a long time now. So you don't have to be afraid if you are dealing with them. If you have any questions, let them know.
All you need is to just place a call. Tell us what you want, how you want it, and you'll have it done. So you can see the work is so cute, neat. Everything is intact. Yeah, with Gigo, we don't fail. We don't disappoint. You can see even with the midsection build or midsection design, it went across the building. Yeah. So it went through. You can see it.
So if you are putting up your project, and I mean, let's say you have a family member or a friend who is an artisan, either a mason, carpenter, steel bender, and you need a solid team, right? You know, to kind of collaborate with, right? To come together to form a team on your personal project. You know, you can always look at Gigo Production Group, where if you go to our playlist, we have most of our artisans' telephone numbers right there. Like I said, these are guys that we trust. So we put their numbers out there for you to deal with them directly. If you have your questions, you can send it to them directly. And I mean, you will see on the channel that we have collaborated with a lot of different artisans on their projects, right? So we have Helpful, who is our carpenter. We have Secretary, right, who is the walls and, you know, windows design. We also have Okai Ni, who is our steel bender. And we also have Frank, right, which is Mighty Metal Works when it comes to anything metal, right, in construction. You know, he is the guy for you. I'm talking about your burglar proofs, your roller shutters. I mean, anything, your drying lines. If you want to make a couch, right? If you want to make something with wood and metal, I mean, you know, Segbedre is the guy for you. If you go to my playlist, you'll see all of them right there and other projects that we've also, you know, I mean, started and also at the finishing stage, you know, on this channel, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.
I pick ya, pick ya, pick ya, pick ya.